Welcome to Section 4, Storm Spotting. This is why we're producing this class, why we're here. We want those storm reports, so we're going to talk about how you get those reports to us. First off, though, a word about safety. Your safety is critical. Don't take any unnecessary risks. We don't want you out there storm chasing. You can certainly storm chase, we can't stop you, but most of our spotters don't. Most of our spotters are simply watching the storms as they come to their location. For a lot of people, they might be out at a park or out at their home, just outside watching a storm come close. If you're going to look at storms, make sure you know the following. Make sure you know what hazards are possible. Is there lightning, hail? Could flooding happen? Know where you are and where the storm is, and which way the storm is moving. Is it coming at you? Is it moving away from you? Note that storms can change directions. If a severe storm is nearby, make sure you have a plan to take shelter. And remember, when thunder roars, head indoors. Spotting at night is especially dangerous. When the sun goes down, storm identification is nearly impossible. You're not going to be able to see a tornado most of the time. If a warning is in effect, get to shelter. Don't go outside to look at the storm. Lightning can happen far away from a storm without any kind of warning. And flash flooding can occur even after a storm passes. Don't try going looking for damage in the middle of the night. This is a video of a tornado. And it's really difficult to see. This is why we say, don't go looking at storms in the middle of the night. Stay home, get to shelter if a warning is issued, but generally don't try looking for storms in the middle of the night. When it comes to getting your weather reports to the National Weather Service, you have a lot of options. The best way to do it is to call us. And our direct number can be found after you complete the training. We'll give you a little handy guide of how to report to us, and that phone number is usually going to be the best option. The number is only really for reports. If you're from outside of our area, if you're from outside of Northeast Minnesota, Northwest Wisconsin, your local office is going to have their own number, and you can contact them for more information. Other options for report besides phone call is an amateur radio net. Email, nws.duluth@noaa.gov is a great way to get pictures to us too. Facebook comments or a private message. Tweets, either private tweets to us or if you just mention us, NWS Duluth, we can see your tweet. We also do have an online form on our website, weather.gov/Duluth, and it's under the current hazards menu, submit a storm report. When you give that report, again, hopefully by the phone, we want 4 things. We want the time, when did it occur? Location, where, condition, what are you reporting, and the source. When it comes to that location part, if you don't know exactly where you are, just let us know and we'll try to help. Maybe you know that you're near a gas station, or maybe you know that you're at an intersection of a road, or on a lake somewhere, you're near a boat ramp. We'll figure it out. We can also use any kind of coordinate system. So if you want to give us the national grid coordinate, if you want to give us a lat lawn, whatever works for you, we'll try to figure it out, but we want some kind of location information. As an example, here's a storm report that we might get. Hi, this is Herbert. I'm one of your spotters, and I'm calling to report hail. I'm located in Duluth at Enger Tower, and we've got at least quarter-size hail falling right now, maybe larger. That's a great report. It's great because they identify themselves, they note the source, the condition is reported, it's hail, the time is reported, it's right now, and the location is given. I don't know what the address of Enger Tower is, and neither do probably most of the people that are there. But they know where they are, and they can tell us that, and we can look it up on a map. A couple of tips. Late reports are okay. If you see storm damage after the fact, maybe you were away on vacation and you come back home and see that a tree fell, let us know. We can try to figure out when it happened and get that reported. We really appreciate pictures and videos. Sometimes you might not have the pictures and videos right away, but you can give us a call and say, hey, I just got a lot of hail. I'll send you a video in a minute. That would be perfect. And remember to tell us where you are, even if it's just a city or highway reference. Time, location, condition, and source, TLCS. We get a lot of reports where people don't tell us where they are. And this is literally how some of our reports come in. Someone might say, hey, it's getting dark here, might be a tornado. That doesn't help us, and it gives us more work because then we have to figure out, well, where is this person? Do we trust this person? Who are you? Are you a spotter, or are you just part of the general public and maybe you might not know where in a storm to look for a tornado? So make sure your reports have all 4 parts of this information. Other ways you can help us, one thing is the mPING app. Now, while we don't have a weather service app for alerts, we do have an app to report precipitation. This is a free app from NOAA, and it uses, you can use it to report the precipitation type, whether it's rain, snow, or even hail. It's completely anonymous, and it's great for small hail. So let's say you've got some pea-sized hail falling, go ahead and give us an mPING report. That's great. We'll see it right away. If you have large hail or wind damage or tornado or flooding though, please give us a call. You can use the app to report, but we want a phone call too. Why? Because it's anonymous. We're not going to know who reported it. We're just going to see a dot on a map and the report. When you call, we know and we can trust you. If you say, hey, this is Joe, I'm a trained spotter. Oh, hey Joe, we know you. We can trust this report. We can also ask then for details. If you just put wind damage in, we don't know what happened. Is it a lot of trees down or just a branch fell? So phone calls for reports are best. Another way you can help is CoCoRaHS. CoCoRaHS is a NOAA-supported nonprofit network of rain, hail, and snow observers. You can report daily, but you don't even need to report daily. You can just get one of these rain gauges, or you don't even need a rain gauge. Just measure snow for us. The reports are published online instantly, and they're used by the Weather Service, other federal and state agencies, TV meteorologists, researchers, lots of people. You have to use a standard rain gauge, and that's about $30 to $40. But it's a great quality rain gauge, and even if you didn't want to be part of CoCoRaHS, check out their website and get that rain gauge because they have a great quality rain gauge. Being part of CoCoRaHS helps us know what's going on out there. You help fill in the gaps on our map for rainfall and really let us know how much rain fell out there. Even if you don't report daily, you can also report hail and other heavy rainfall and other significant weather events on the CoCoRaHS website. So you can actually submit a hail report and we will get the report instantly into our Weather Service computer system. So this is another great reason to sign up for CoCoRaHS. That's it for section 4, pretty quick. Your code word is going to be report. Again, the code word is report, like giving us storm reports. R-E-P-O-R-T, report. That's it for section 4. Please join us on section 5, which will have a wrap-up and a scenario.